First question. During an expedition in the Appalachian Mountains, a group of adventurers traveled on part of the way by foot, one-third of the way by canoe, and 8 miles by caravan. How many miles was the entire trip? Is I covered by foot, one-fourth, covered by canoe, one-third, covered by caravan, 8 miles. First add the fraction, find the common denominator.
To find the common denominator is multiply 4 and 3 equals x. 4x times 3x equals 12x. Now we get the common denominator, multiply every terms by 12. 1/4 x times 12 equals 3 by 12x. 1/3 x times 12 equals 4 by 12x. 8 miles times 12 equals 96. Combine like terms. Like terms are 3x and 4x. We have 3x plus 4x plus 96. Get the 3x plus 4x and add it is equal to 7x. Subtract 12x to 7x is equal to 5x. Divide 96 miles to 5x is equals to 19.2.
Melissa is 4 times as old as Jim. Pat is 5 years old older than Melissa. If Jim is 3 years old, how old is Pat? Sa pagkakaintindi ko po ay si Melissa ay mas matanda ng 4 na taon kaysa kay Jim at si Pat naman ay mas matanda ng 5 taon kay Melissa at si Jim naman ay 3 taon. Ang tanong, ilang taon si Pat?
Melissa is 4 years old and Pat is 9 years old and Jim is 0 or not been born yet. When Melissa turns 7 and Jim will be 3 years old because Pat is 5 years old than Melissa. If Melissa is 7, then Pat is 12 years old.